Hi, my name's Jake Gibson. I'm a licensed heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician, and I'm also the CEO of Phyxter. And we're committed to bring the best business management software to the independent contracting community. There are 2.2 million HVAC techs, plumbers, and electricians across North America, earning an average of $250,000 a year. Now, where the problem really comes in is that they have the highest failure rate for small business in North America. It's very, very challenging, and people know that. So there's this massive demand, but not a lot of people getting into the skilled trades. And why is that? Because of the stereotype of running a small business. The long hours of quoting and invoicing, account receivables, trying to collect money, what to do next, how to market to customers, and the lack of confidence in knowing how to do it effectively. So how can we help contractors or skilled tradespeople start a contracting business and give them the confidence that they need and want to do it successfully? We've created Phyxter, a mobile app and platform to be that virtual business partner. Phyxter takes the best parts of the gig economy. We're like the Uber for skilled trades. We connect contractors to nearby customers. On top of that, we take a holistic approach, making sure that our contractors' businesses are run profitably. We help them with part sourcing, quoting and invoicing, and payment collection. So why are we the right people to deliver this solution? I have a background in the heating and air conditioning industry with years of experience in sales and business management, and my business partner Ben worked at BMO leading their capital markets software development team. Our software engineers are best in class. Our entire team is headquartered in downtown Toronto in the financial district. In 24 months, we've raised $1.3 million from friends and family, angel investors, and government grants. We've acquired over 200,000 social media followers, 1,000 Phyxter Pro Contractors, and over 100 partners in the parts wholesale space. Over the next 36 months, we plan to do a seed investment round of $750,000 as well as a Series A round of $3 million. With the seed round, we're going to launch Phyxter across 3 cities in the GTA, proving out our customer acquisition strategy and revenue streams. With the Series A, we'll be scaling to Ottawa, Vancouver, and Calgary. We want homeowners and small businesses to easily connect with the best skilled tradespeople in their area. And we want those independent contractors to have the best technology available to help them run their business. We supply a complete business management solution for independent contractors so that our community can live a healthy, balanced lifestyle.